Okay, we want to replace this beat up old shifter. I went on Amazon or eBay, picked up this guy, a little bit off color. I think it cost me about 15 bucks with shipping. So I'm having trouble like the other videos showed, but anyway, you grab it right here and that just pops right up. Underneath, I got it in neutral, but underneath there was a little zip tie right here. You want to cut that off. I already took that off, but little zip tie right there. It was wrapped around the fabric there. Just chop that off, and I pulled it up and then pushed it all back down to get the fabric off the shifter. My issue, other videos said you just lift and pull the knob up. It's not budging. So I'm thinking, from what other comments it said on other videos and websites, is this little piece down here is gonna have to get broken off. So I'm gonna give that a try. Sorry about the shaky camera. We're gonna give that a whirl. Okay, I had to pause the video, but I thought if I would have taken that little chrome collar off with a screwdriver, it would have popped right off, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So I ended up tearing it apart with these guys. But this piece is now loose and will probably break right off, and I think it should come up. We're gonna take a look at that right now. I'm gonna pause it here and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and this piece I just had to break off there. Once I got that off, there's this little this little piece right here. It's just kind of, I'm not going to push it back on, but that was around the collar there. I just popped that out with a screwdriver. Now I'm thinking it should come off, hopefully. There we go. So there's my old one. A little bit of work, a little bit of breaking some shit, but it came off. New one. Clicked right on there. No problem. Everything seems to shift correctly. Pull this back up. Or not. Just get that fabric back up there. I happen to have a twist tie here. Just gonna put that back around. Everything should be good to go. So all in all, took some breaking some pieces, but not breaking anything horribly. Doesn't seem like you're gonna end up breaking anything here. This is all pretty solid metal. The only thing I broke was plastic pieces. Any questions? Feel free to comment.